Hey friends, I'm your host or from Technuter Review. Today I come with new Nokia 6. This device to the launch in India. So the price of this smartphone is 16,999 and it will be available at Nokia mobile shop and selected mobile outlets. So quickly I will tell you about its specification. Screen size of this smartphone is 5.5 inch. Processor is 2.2 GHz octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 630. RAM is 3 GB. Internal storage is 32 GB and you can expand it up to 128 GB via micro SD card. Apart from it, back camera is 16 megapixel with flash and the front camera is 8 megapixel. Battery inside this smartphone is 3000 mAh and it is non-removable battery. So friends, this it is the specification of this smartphone. Now we quickly go inside the setting area and we will check what inside here. Inside setting area you can see battery, storage, security and location. Inside the system we go inside the about phone. Inside the about phone area we will check what the Android version and the model name. So here you can see the Android version is 8.0.0 and model name is Nokia 6.1. Here you can see device name. So device name is Nokia 6.1 and Android version is 8.0.0. It means this smartphone runs on latest Android Oreo. Apart from it, this device use 12.17 GB and rest of are free. Once you boot this device you will get roughly 20 GB. Inside the camera area you can see this is the camera area. We quickly go inside the setting area and we will check what are the some settings inside this phone. So inside the setting area you can see shutter control, shutter sound, grid, watermark, mirror photos for front camera, location tag, resolution and reset setting. We quickly go back from here and we will check some sample images which I will going to click from this smartphone. This is the one. So friend, this is the one image which I captured through this camera and you can just see the picture quality is good, but again I'm not going to comment on it. I will comment it after review the detail review of this smartphone. And this is again by using the back camera. So friend, this is the front camera samples. So I will give my verdict on the camera once I will detail review this smartphone. Inside the notification area you will see Wi-Fi, mobile data, battery saver, do not disturb, torch, auto rotate. These are some things. But again my point for this smartphone is that there is no dual lens inside this smartphone, which is a necessity for nowadays. Again there is no uh, uh, 18:9 ratio, which we know that infinity display. It is also the missing from this smartphone. So this is the main cons for new Nokia 6. I thought Nokia will come with this kind of the good specification in this smartphone. So friends, hope you like my this video. Please like this video, share this video and subscribe my channel Technuter Review. I will come very soon with a detailed review. For the time, thanks.